Yo, I can't believe I'm watching Drama Alert just dropped this video, and it says one view, but it has 510 thumbs up, so that's kind of weird, but it's so crazy. He just dropped a video like a second ago. I have his alerts on, so it's like one view. That's crazy. But anyways, it has more than that, obviously, because it has 510 thumbs ups and 9 thumbs down. Logan Paul on TV. Drama Alert, Rice Gum Super Bowl, Twins kicked from Cloud. Okay, they're always getting kicked out or doing something stupid. Alright guys, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I know it might be kind of lame or whatever, but I thought it was really cool that I saw one view, but then I just looked at it and it's like 510 views. So yeah, look at this comment. Like bling 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 bling. I'm a big fan. I was Good Morning America. I was good morning. I was good morning. Whatever. I don't know. Hey, Keem, can I get a heart? Super Bowl. I feel like a shout out or something. I'm gonna ask Keem Starvey to shout me out. Idiot. Poop. Can give out, please. Thanks. Bye. Hey, you stupid idiot, Kim Poop. Can you please?